Hi lovely, welcome. In today's video, I will be cleaning our kitchen to get it ready for fall. Fall is almost a month away from us and I am so excited for the cozy seasons. I'm looking forward to it. If you're new to my channel, my name is E.T. I hope you enjoyed today's video and get tons of cleaning motivation. If you do, please consider subscribing before you go and tune in for my upcoming kitchen fall decorating ideas video. Now, without further ado, let's get to it.
You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability. wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
That was it for today, lovely. The cleaning products I used in today's video are all clean and non-toxic. I recommend you to try them out. I will link all under my description below for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Until I see you on my next one, this is ET saying goodbye.